In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check up on tasks in Hubspot. Whether you're managing a team or just trying to stay on top of your own work, keeping track of tasks is crucial. With Hubspot, this process is streamlined and easy to manage, but understanding the steps involved is essential for making the most of this powerful tool. Let's dive in and go through the process together. To begin, we'll start by heading over to the Hubspot homepage. Opening your favorite web browser, type in the URL www.hubspot.com. Once you arrive at the homepage, you'll notice a clean, straightforward interface designed for ease of use. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't checked it out before. Next, you'll want to log into your Hubspot account. Look for the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you to the login screen where you can enter your credentials. Make sure to keep your login details secure and remember them for future use. If you happen to encounter any login issues, double check your password or use the forgot password option to reset your credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Hubspot home. This is your dashboard showcasing an overview of your account and its activities. From here, we'll move on to the CRM section. Clicking on the CRM option will open up a menu of CRM related features. This is the hub for managing customer relationships, contacts, leads, and more. Now within the CRM section, you'll find tasks. Clicking on tasks will direct you to the task management area. Tasks in HubSpot allows you to track assignments, set deadlines, and maintain productivity across your activities. The task interface is intuitive and displays your tasks in a list format for easy viewing. To refine your task list, look for the More Filters button. This feature will help you streamline the immense data by applying filters. Filtering options vary from task status, priority, due date, and more. This customization ensures you see only what's relevant and helps you organize your tasks effectively. After applying filters, you might want to edit them later. Locate the Edit Filters button to make adjustments. This flexibility allows you to update the criteria that best suit your ever-evolving needs. Playing around with these filters can greatly enhance how information is displayed to you. Finally, managing task queues can significantly aid with organization. Click on Manage Queues and discover how to prioritize tasks by assigning them to different queues based on urgency or category. Adding tasks to specific queues creates a dynamic workflow and allows you to tackle tasks in a strategic order. By following these steps, you're now well equipped to efficiently check up on tasks using HubSpot. These skills are integral to maintaining an organized and productive workflow, whether you're handling individual tasks or overseeing multiple projects. Remember, using tools like HubSpot with proficiency not only saves you time but keeps your goals well within reach. Happy task managing.